This episode was made in partnership with the Q Studios, where content comes to life. The Q Studios is a creative production space built for creators, brands, entrepreneurs, and teams who want high-quality content without the hassle. From podcasts and photo shoots to events and full-scale productions, they provide the space, equipment, and support to make every project seamless. Ready to create? Book a session and experience the Q Studios for yourself. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host, Mary Nonor, and today we're doing a live show of Pusuan or Laruan!
Ikaw na yata akong mapupusuan. Gusto na tayong magkatuluyan. Ikaw ang mapupusuan. Daradat, ikaw na yata akong mapupusuan. Di akalayang magkakastuhan. Ikaw ang mapupusuan.
Alright, here's how the game works. As you can see, we have a lineup of gorgeous single guys over here. Woo-hoo! And we'll also be bringing out some sexy single ladies one by one. So, kung napupusuan nyo ang ating sexy single, feeling nyo magmamatch kayo or interested pa kayo sa mga sabihin niya, do not pop your balloon. Pero kung feeling nyo di nyo siya masyadong type or di kayo magmamatch, you can go ahead and pop your balloon. Are you ready, singles? Okay, how about our audience? Are you ready? All right, let's play Pusuan or Here comes our first sexy single. Woohoo! Hi. Your name is Jorel, am I?
Yes po.
Okay, hi Jorel.
Hi po.
Okay, so Jorel, how old are you and what do you do for a living?
I'm 21 years old and I'm still a student, but I'm working as a brand ambassador.
Okay, student of what course?
BS Entrepreneurship.
Ah, okay. All right, so outside of that, anong ginagawa mo for fun or what are your hobbies?
Driving, traveling, and then doing pageantry.
Okay. Ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Sa personality?
I think it's someone adventurous.
Okay. Yun lang naman. Like what kind of adventures would you go on?
Someone na mag-explore ng cities with me.
Okay. Sa physical, anong hanap mo?
As long na same height as me.
Okay.
Or-
I see you looking around
or
sa ating
like,
lineup.
Someone na mukhang malinis tignan. Like yung mabango. Yung mabango talaga. Yeah.
Okay. Tingnan natin kung may pasok dyan. O, sa deal breakers naman, anong deal breakers mo?
Ayoko lang nung someone na magalitin, like yung mabilis magalit. Ayun.
Okay. All right. Well, right now, wala pa naman yatang nagpa-pop, okay, sa ating lineup. So, the floor is yours. I'd like you to choose 3 balloons to pop.
Oh, really?
Okay? Mga friends pa kayo ni Gab? Okay. 2 more. Okay. And 1 more. Alright, so... Hindi ko alam kung may nag-clap ba or nag-oh. Okay, so Paul, let's start with you. Please come on stage. Please introduce yourself muna.
My name is Paul. I work in remote work, which is a financial base in US, and I also write music. Actually, yeah, we do have music platforms online. I also lead a band, so I'm a lead vocalist. My age is 29.
Alright, so bakit mo siya napiling i-pop?
I think pinili ko lang po yung mas shorter. Yeah.
Yun lang naman.
Yeah.
But if not for that, type mo ba sana siya?
I prefer someone na like mas taller
No
than
nga.
him.
Pag if not for that, I mean,
Okay,
like outside of that.
no. Sorry.
Okay. Alright. Ay, ikaw, may comment ka ba sa sinabi niya?
Wala naman. Fair enough lang naman. I respect her decision. Although siguro sa lahat ng sinabi niya, kasi I'm also an adventurous person. I do travel a lot, like do hikings, etc. Pero Isa lang talaga hindi pasok doon yung height.
So, okay naman sana sa hobbies. Okay, well, thank you so much. Okay, and you also popped Gab's balloon. Please join us over here.
Hi, I'm Gab. I work at the BPO industry and I also help part-time sa cafe ng parent ko. Then I'm 25 years old.
So, bakit si Gab yung isa mong napili?
Same reason, height.
Height lang.
Yeah. Kasi po
Okay.
hindi ko pa naman po sila nakikilala. So, nag-base po ako sa height.
Okay.
Yeah.
Outside of that, type mo ba siya?
No.
Okay, why?
Because of the height.
Oh nga, outside of that nga.
Kasi, like, parang big deal siya sa akin siguro.
Yun talaga kasi. Okay. I get that.
Sorry.
Ikaw ba, are you okay with dating someone taller than you?
If hindi ko pa kilala, hindi din kasi it's hard for me.
All right, thank you so much, Gab. Okay, and lastly, we have Leon.
Good evening. I'm Leon. I work for the Basta Legal. Yeah, under legal. Yeah. I'm 28 years old.
All right, so ba't mo napili si Leon? Same ba na reason?
Same reason.
Okay.
Because hindi ko pa naman po sila nakakausap.
Any comment on that?
Yeah, matagal ko naman ng problema. Joke. No, it's okay. Matagal ko naman ng paano ba? Review yan. Yan ganyan, yung height. So it's
Sa ibang girls, ganon?
yeah, sa dating scene. So it's okay. Expected ko na yun. When I saw you, like, you're taller, so expected ko na yun.
Pero ikaw, okay lang sa'yo na taller yung girl or deal breaker din?
No, I used to date someone like 5'9". Yeah, okay naman. Hindi naman siya hassle sa akin.
All right, well, maybe just not a match right now, but thank you so much. Okay. All right, so we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balloons left. So now I'd like you to ask a question to get to know them naman.
As someone po na nasa pageantry, ano yung thoughts nyo na marami kaming nakaka-work na lalaki?
Kung okay lang ba sa kanila yun? or
Yeah,
not?
ano yung thoughts nila about that?
Okay.
Hello, my name is Paul with an F.
Like fall, F-A-U-L. Okay.
Yes, it's F talaga po since the day of my birth.
Okay.
I'm 30 by the way and the supervisor sa isang family business. Wala naman against naman dun as long na professional yan, it's okay for me.
Okay, and over here, please introduce yourself. Welcome back to the show, by the way.
Glad to be here. Yes, my name is Jacob. 31, and I do remote work for sales. I think I'm very secure that I'm not really a jealous type of person, and actually I do believe that like if you date somebody that's beautiful like you, then like you should be proud of that person instead of being jealous. So for me, I'll be your number one fan. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Jericho, 26, simpleng mamayang Pilipino.
Sige. Oy, ano ulit daw yung question mo? Yan kasi. Oh.
What are your thoughts na yung girl or yung magiging partner mo is nakaka-work is mostly lalaki?
Siguro okay lang naman sa akin kasi wala naman dapat ikaselos kung ganun.
Very secure naman.
Hi, I'm Kane, 31, working in sales, credit collection sales. Being professional lang sa work and if ever maging partners, yon parang transparency lang regarding that.
Hi, I'm Man, 26. I'm a marketing operations specialist sa isang real estate company. So similar din, marami akong nakakausap. So I respect work. So work is work. So hindi ako mag-sellers or anything.
Hi, my name is J-Boy and I'm 28 years old, data analysis, data monitoring. Naniniwala ako at nagtitiwala ako sa kanya din. Nasa kanya na lang din yun kung sisirain niya yung tiwalang ibibigay kong yun.
Thank you so much. Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 4 balloons to pop. Grabe makari. Siling nasasaktan. Okay, so bakit si Fall yung isa mong napiling ipop?
I think the way he talks, parang hindi siya confident magsalita. Parang hindi siya confident sa sinasagot niya.
Tama ba siya doon?
That is, yes. Yun talaga yung sasabi ko na talaga. And yes, thank you na napap mo kasi alam ko na mangyayari to.
Okay, ba't naman, na-predict mo na ikaw yung pipili niyang ipop?
Yes.
Why?
Because by instincts na lang pasabihin ko.
Okay.
Yun lang.
Alright, tama ba siya doon? Talagang plano mo siya ipop?
Hindi naman po, pero nag-base ako sa sagot
Doon
niya,
lang
the way he
talaga.
answers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so bakit mo siya napiling i-pop?
The way, like, parang hindi talaga siya confident or parang hesitate siya na sumagot sa akin.
So nagmamatter talaga sa'yo yung delivery.
Yeah, the delivery.
Agree ka ba doon? Feeling mo ba merong mas confident pa na, na ibubuga?
Meron naman. Siguro pag kami lang dalawa.
Shy type ka? Kailangan parang mag-get to know muna, ganon?
Nahiya.
Malayo, dito ka nga. Oo nga, mukha nga shy type nga. Okay.
Mahihain po kasi ako eh.
Pero type mo naman sana siya.
Hindi po.
Hindi. Bakit?
Ano? Tropa lang.
Kasi, bakit naging tropa zone siya para sa'yo?
Yung parang ano lang siya, parang... yung mahinga ko lang siya ng sagot pag mga sagot sa sa exam ganon.
Oh my God! Pero not to date.
Hindi po.
Talaga? Hindi mo ma-imagine na magiging kayo? Bakit naman?
Yun nga, yung lang siya, parang hingan ko lang siya ng mga impormasyon, mga ganon.
O sige, okay na lang.
Parang po niya akong ginawang Google.
Google.
Yeah.
Hindi okay sa'yo din yun.
Yeah, parang
naging Google ka lang. Okay. So, ba't mo napili si King?
parang hindi totoo yung answer niya na parang he's secured, parang ganun.
Really?
Yeah, for me.
Is she right
Because the
about
way he answers, he's hesitate.
Nag-hesitate lang ako dun sa job description. Parang job description kasi medyo nalito ako kung ano ba talaga yung job title. So, yun lang.
Okay. So, doon lang naman daw pala. Does that change anything for you?
No.
Okay. Pero type mo ba sana siya?
Sorry, pero hindi rin.
Masyadong?
Sa height din.
Yeah.
So, parang if ever we're dating, makita sa public na parang sobrang taas ng girl kay boy. So, parang off din sa iba. Preference lang.
Yeah.
So, yun lang.
J-boy? Okay. O bakit siyang napili mong i-pop?
Sa kanila pong apat, siya yung mas hesitate na magsagot.
Pinaka.
Yeah,
out of all of them.
Like, parang yung gesture niya, like this.
Tama ba siya doon?
Hindi kasi yung sinabi ko is totoo talaga yun. Kasi kung magkakaroon na ng partner, binibigay ko naman yung buong tiwala ko para sa kanya. Kasi bakit ako magdududa sa kanya kung pinili ko naman siya?
Okay. Pero type mo ba sana siya?
Hindi rin eh.
Okay. Bakit naman?
Una yung sa height niya and then ang taas ng tingin ko sa kanya. Parang ang baba ko para sa kanya. Ganun. Yung...
Agree ka ba doon?
No.
Would you be open to dating him kung hindi ganun yung naging impression?
Yeah, if he's confident, siguro, yeah.
Oh, okay. Do you have any response still?
Hindi, okay na ako dito.
Okay, maybe next time. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, well, right now we have 2 balloons left. So this time, sila naman magtatanong ng questions
Okay.
sa'yo. Okay, let's start over here.
My question is, because you said you're 21, right?
Yeah, I'm telling
And I'm 31. Like, what do you think of that age gap that we have?
I think it's good because I like older guys than me because I think they're more matured and mas marami na silang na-experience in life. Yeah.
Thank you. I like the answer. Yeah.
Man, 26, marketing operations specialist. My question is, how do you show affection to your partner?
By supporting him and then quality time. Yeah.
Okay ka dun?
Okay din. Same kami ng love language, quality time.
Okay, let's see. Okay, who do you guys think? Okay, tinan natin. So, since walang nag-pop sa kanilang dalawa, the choice is yours. I'd like you to choose one balloon to pop.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Go ahead.
Ang hirap po pala mamili dito.
And the winner is... Joke.
Oh my God, it's hard.
1, 2,
Here.
3. Oh! Okay. Please join us over here, Jake. Okay, so bakit si Jake yung pinop mo?
Siguro mas nagustuhan ko po yung tanong ni Man sa akin kung paano based sa relationship kaysa po sa age ko.
I
Yeah.
see. So that's a question.
Yeah.
Okay, do you have any response to that?
No, that's good actually. I'm happy for you guys. You know, it's the end of the day. It's your decision. I respect it, and I wish you guys really well. And yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, well, we have one balloon left, so please join us over here. Woo-hoo! Okay. Final question pa ba? Ayoko na mag-final question talaga pag ganito do you guys have any final questions for each other?
What is your biggest learning from your past relationship?
I think having boundaries. Kasi as someone na parang ginive all, parang when he cheated on me, parang ayun yung naging ano ko, kailangan meron kang boundaries, hindi yung lahat. Para may natitira para sa sarili mo.
Understand.
Thank you for sharing that. Okay, do you have any final question for him or you're good already?
I think it's same lang na parang what one lesson has love taught you?
To be consistent when talking to a girl. My previous relationship, I wasn't consistent to her. So, ang nangyari, naging mas consistent ako on the way kung paano ako ng babae, makipag-usap.
All right, thank you so much. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you guys now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Hindi po eh.
Uy! Hindi? So you're gonna pop your balloon? Hala siya, bakit? Okay, go ahead. Okay! So, bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon?
I'm so sorry, pero you're beautiful. But preference-wise, mas gusto ko yung mas...
Yeah. That's good.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, it's okay.
Pero you're pretty.
Yeah, thank you.
Sure ka doon?
Preference-wise, mas gusto ko sana mas shorter or like same height.
Yeah, I understand it. Okay.
Last chance. Sige na. Sige na. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, well, unfortunately, we do not have a match for this round, but thank you so much, both of you, for joining. Hope you can join again next time.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Hindi, pero... Hindi talaga. Pero, sure ka
Baka pwede kami connect after this.
Papansinin ka pa niya. Here comes our next sexy single. Woohoo! Hi! Hello. Okay, so...
It's Maria.
Hello. So, Mary, how old are you and anong job mo?
28. I'm working in a hotel industry.
Okay. Ano namang hobbies mo outside of that?
I do free diving whenever I have time.
Okay.
I love to walk. I love going to the beaches. I love sports din. I do badminton tsaka pickleball.
Okay. So, you'd say you're very like athletic or active, ganun?
Not really, but I'm trying to be active lang. Kasi, pa 30 na kasi. So,
ganun ba yun?
Kantahin.
Okay. Anong hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Sa personality?
I want someone na smart. Like, both book smart tsaka
street smart.
Street smart. Gusto ko yung like nasi-stimulate kasi yung brain ko.
Okay. Sa physical?
Physical. I'm not really particular with the looks.
Okay.
Moreno and Tisoy are both fine.
Okay.
Any shape naman would do.
Okay.
Basta, yun. Siguro more like pleasing lang sa eyes ko.
Okay.
Ganon.
All right. Deal breakers for you, ano?
Disrespectful. Indecisive.
Okay.
Ayun.
Yun lang naman. Okay. Well, right now, wala pa nagpa-pop sa ating lineup. So, the choice is yours. I'd like you to choose 3 balloons to pop.
Agad! Hello?
Go ahead. Huwag mo ako tingnan!
Disrespectful kasi. Parang sobrang, alam mo yon, parang I don't wanna judge.
Preference lang naman yun. It doesn't mean there's something wrong with them. It's just your preference to date. Oh! Okay, he decided for you. Dalawa na lang.
Sige.
Tinulungan ka na ni Jake.
Thank you!
Okay.
Oh my God.
Oh, okay. Ayan na. Sige. Sila na nag-adjust.
Thank
Okay,
you,
so I'll start
guys.
with you.
My name is Jake, and I'm 31, and I work for remote sales. For me, you look beautiful. Like I like the confidence. It's just like I also like somebody that's decisive, and you're very indecisive. But I'm sorry,
Thank you.
Okay. All right. Pero siya, but... Oh, Pero siya ba, type mo ba sana siya?
He looks fine.
Okay.
Pero
To
like...
date?
Okay naman.
Okay.
Okay naman.
But are you set on popping your balloon or did you want to ask for it back or what?
I'm very decisive, so yeah, I don't want the balloon back. But no disrespect though, like.
Well, thank you so much.
I'm Jericho, 26 years old, parking boy.
Bakit ka nag-pop?
Totoo.
Ano? Anong gagawin ko? Ako pa nakahilsa. Oh, okay. Kaya mo yan, Jericho. Confidence. Okay, go.
Parang nahihirapan kasi siya eh. Kaya tinulungan ko na. Pinap ko na yung sarili ko.
Dahil lang doon. Pero type mo ba sana siyang i-date?
Hindi po.
Oh, bakit naman?
Parang parang hindi kami talaga magtutugma.
Sa personality ba? Ano ba?
Siguro sa ginagawa niya, tas sa ko rin, ginagawa ko rin sa araw-araw.
Do you agree with what he's saying or type mo ba sana siyang i-date?
No.
Bakit?
Not just my type.
Okay. Sa personality, sa physical?
Parang, kasi when you say personality, parang hindi ko naman siya like kilala
pa.
eh. So
Okay.
parang,
Just
siguro baka
overall.
with the style lang.
Okay.
I'm Paul, age 30, supervisor sa isang family business.
So bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon?
Sa sinabi na yung sa smart and street smart. Sa smart, yes, but not completely knowledgeable by books and articles, okay. But sa street smart, opposite yun kasi wala ako doon eh. Wala akong ganun na knowledge para doon.
Do you think that would have been a problem for you or?
Kinda. Gusto ko, actually, isa pa, gusto ko din sa guys yung like marunong sa household.
Okay. Marunong ka ba sa household?
Yes.
Ayun. Ay, wala lang. Ayun lang. Dagdag ko lang.
Man, 26, marketing operations specialist.
Okay. Ba't ka nag-pop bigla?
Sa sinabi niya lang na marunong sa household chores, right? Household, yeah. Medyo hindi kasi ako marunong sa mga pagpa-plumbing or something. Siguro cook pwede pa. I cook, so yun, kaya ko gawin. Pero yung like maasahan mo sa whole house, baka hindi kita masupport doon.
Okay. Kasama ba yung plumbing? Doon sa ano?
Ay,
sa
oo.
household? Kasama
Really?
din yun. Ayaw just
Kasi-
tumawag na lang ng plumber.
Okay lang naman. Pero parang, 'di ba? Parang as a guy kasi, parang I'd like na someone yung like literal na katuwang mo sa buhay, na someone who knows household chores.
Okay.
Parang hindi lang lahat like porket ako yung babae, I'll do the rest. So dapat magtulungan tayo.
Okay. Any response to that?
Siguro kung ako yan, mag-hire na lang po ako ng ng gagawa po.
Hi, I'm Kane, 31, sales and credit collection. So,
Bakit ka nag-pop? Yeah.
because previous relationship medyo same size sila.
Oh.
So parang not into that anymore right now. So parang hanap is medyo slim.
So, same size sila body-wise ng ex mo and ayaw mo na ng ganun? Okay. Do you have any response to that?
No. I mean, we all have our own preferences and I respect.
Okay. Pero ikaw ba? Type mo ba sana siya?
Not really.
Oh, why not?
I don't know. Baka...
Ano? May something lang, ano? Lotion.
Hindi. Pero he looks good. Siguro like hindi ko lang preference.
Right now, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4 balloons left. So now, please ask a question to help you get to know them better.
What do you love about yourself?
My name is Paul. I work remotely on financial institution based in US, so work from home. Then I also lead a band and I'm 29 years old. Siguro my flaws and my weakness. Kasi ang madali lang mahalin yung personality ko na strong ako na okay ako, 'di ba? Yung mga guys kasi medyo tayo, parang may mga times na tinatago namin yung weakness namin, especially when it comes sa ibang tao. So for me, mas minamahal ko yung sarili ko or mas mahal ko yung sarili ko during those times kasi yun yung time na kailangan ako ng sarili ko.
Hi, I'm Gab, 25 years old. I work at the BPO industry. What I love about myself right now is the fact that I'm rekindling my joys in life. Example is like yung passion ko sa pagluluto. Parang unti-unti na siyang nababalik.
Hi, Leon. Legal. Work under legal law student din. 28. I wasn't really born with a silver spoon in my mouth. So my family and I had to work our way up sa life. Yung tenacity and yung pagiging strong sa sarili. And whatever comes our way, wala kami magagawa kundi mag-push forward.
Hello, I'm J-Boy, 28 years old, and my work is data analysis and data monitoring. So siguro yung masabi ko, yung pagiging ako. Yung pagiging ako na kung saan naging matatag at matibay ako, then if ever man na dumating yung time na magkaroon ako ng partner, I can support sa mga pangangailangan niya. Hindi lang financially, pati na rin kung halimbawa may mga emotional problem siya.
Thank you so much. Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
To agad. Agad. Sorry.
Okay, and one more.
Sorry, nothing personal.
Okay. So, bakit mo napiling i-pop si Paul?
With the answer lang, parang medyo nakulangan lang ako.
Okay.
Ayun lang.
Like, anong wish mo na
Parang,
inad niya?
Siguro, I'm looking na parang something na isasagot niya na parang more on masusupport ako as a partner na parang more on in a relationship side. Ganon.
Okay.
So,
Any response to that?
Siguro nakulangan ka doon kasi it's more on about myself, right? Pero kasi hindi ka naman papasok sa isang relasyon na hindi mo mahal yung sarili mo. Kasi kung papasok sa isang relationship para lang magpamahal, then why are you in that relationship, right? Kaya kailangan kung papasok ka sa isang relasyon, you have to love yourself first before loving other people.
Does that change anything for you?
totoo naman. Totoo naman yung sinabi niya, pero no for now. Parang, let's keep it that way na lang
Okay.
po.
But for you, type mo ba sana siya?
Siguro based dun sa tanong niya na, I mean yung statement niya na parang to support her, I think she's looking for something na hindi ko alam pero I'm not here to judge, pero parang something na may kulang sa kanya na she's looking for someone to feel it. Pero hindi, parang ano ako doon, medyo na-off ako doon sa statement.
Tama ba siya doon?
No. I'm independent. I maintain myself. Lahat like ako nag-support sa sarili ko. I support my family. Ayun lang. Pero if that's what you think, I respect your what you're saying. Ikaw yan.
Anything else to add?
Nothing. I respect her ano naman.
Thank you so much, Paul. Okay, and you also popped J-Boy's balloon. Hello. So, bakit mo siya napiling i-pop?
Kasi ano parang ang baby pa niya. Parang, ang baby, parang ibi-baby ko siya. Gusto ko ako yung bini-baby.
Okay.
Kasi nga, bilang super strong, independent woman ako, gusto ko naman na ako yung parang super baby boy pa niya
Okay, tama ba siya doon?
No. Sa bagay na yan. Siguro sa na-base niya yan sa look ko siguro. Kung sa experiences lang, sobrang dami na Siguro masabi ko, subok na ng panahon. Kung ganun.
Feeling mo, kaya mo siyang i-baby?
Kung bubuhatin, ma'am, siguro kakayanin.
Sige nga. Pero type mo ba sana siya?
Actually, sana, pero gusto ko na mag-pop kanina. Nung sinabi niyang household, medyo tagilid ako dun sa part na yun Kaya inaya ako siyang ginanok na yung balloon ko sa kanya. Pero okay lang naman sa akin. Respect ko.
Okay, well, right now, we have 2 balloons left. So, sila naman na magtatanong ng question sa'yo. Okay.
Sila na lang?
Yes, sila naman. sila na lang.
Sila naman.
Okay ka doon.
Opo.
How do you handle conflict in a relationship?
I communicate. Talagang communication. Ayokong parang natatapos yung araw na hindi namin mapag-uusapan. Okay lang sa akin na we give each other time sa mismong araw. Pero gusto ko bago tayo matulog, aayusin natin. Ayoko na matutulog tayo parehas na masama yung loob natin sa isa't isa.
Okay, you good with that?
What's your marrying age?
Gusto mo ngayon na.
Tara na.
So, do you, Leon, take... Madali. Panindigan mo daw. Narinig niyo yun, di ba? Okay. Oh, go.
So what's your marrying age?
Actually, I'm ready to settle naman na. Yung tamang tao na lang talaga yung hinihintay ko.
Okay.
Ayan.
Okay.
Ikaw kaya yun? We'll see you later. Okay. Alright. We'll see you later. Okay. Walang nagpa-pop sa kanilang dalawa, so ikaw mamimili ngayon.
Ay, papap na niya.
Oh! Oh, okay. Please join us over here. Ano nangyari? Dahil ba dun sa usapan nila? Ano?
Actually dun sa ready na daw siya mag-settle ako kasi hindi pa. Nagbe-build pa lang ako ng yung hindi ko pa kaya yung sa marriage. Siguro sa future, pero ngayon hindi pa.
That's going to be a problem for you then.
Opo. I appreciate na honest siya. Kasi we will not wasting our time.
Right.
Ayun, super important kasi sa akin ng time. So, I appreciate. Thank you for being honest.
Okay. Oh! Akala ko pa naman mag-ano na tayo. I do. Okay. All right. Well, do you have anything else to add, Gab? All right. Thank you so much. Okay. Leon, what happened? Okay. So, bakit ka bigla nag-pop ng balloon?
Just to be clear, maganda ka, kamahal-mahal ka, you're a likable person, maayos ka, future thinking, you're a good person. Now, the thing is, right now, I'm currently rebuilding my life due to some wrong choices in the past. So, kung marrying age mo at syempre, right now, hindi ko pa kayang ibigay yun. So, maybe 2 or 3 years from now, maybe, but right now, not yet. Because, panganay,
Okay.
syempre may younger brother pa ako. Although almost halos magkaedad lang kami. But the thing is, wala na kaming parents and all, a bit too personal. But the thing is, really have a lot of things in my plate right now. Okay sa akin yung magkaroon ng relasyon, but yung marrying and settling down, not just today. 2 or 3 years, yes, but not today.
2 or 3 years, okay sa'yo? Or ngayon na agad?
Hindi naman, pero like, gusto ko kasi yung yung meron na talagang plan. Like, parang hindi ko na caring maghintay pa ng 3 years.
Okay. So, since hindi niya priority yun ngayon,
Oo.
okay, you'll just move on. Okay.
Pero, sir, sorry, I really appreciate yung sinabi mo. Like, God bless your heart. Sobrang for being the breadwinner sa family niyo.
Yeah,
Ayun lang.
but the thing is, yung sa planado ko naman, may timeline ako sa utak ko.
Okay.
Yes, law school and all, tapusin ko, plus the 6 months review sa bar, then a lot of things, no? So, gusto ko kasi pag nagpakasal ako, yung tipong pag nawalan ka ng trabaho, buhay tayo. So, ganun ako. Naranasan ko na kasing magutom eh. And ayoko na bumalik dun. That's why I really want to put my foundation down enough na ayokong may magugutom sa ating dalawa.
Pero for you, do you see yourself maybe settling down with her? Yung 2 to 3 years na sinasabi mo na yun?
Ayokong i-pressure yung tao eh. Kasi it's her timeline eh, and I have my own timeline.
Sure.
So, you go with your plan, and I go with my plan. We'll see each other.
Okay, ... We'll see what happens. Okay, well, unfortunately, we do not have a match for this round, but thank you so much, both of you. Thank you for joining.
Thank you.
Thank you. Join us again next
Thank you,
time.
everyone.
Kala ko may kakasal na dito. Here comes our next sexy single. Woohoo! Hi! Hello, Erica.
Hello po.
Okay, so Erica, how old are you and anong job mo?
30, uniform officer, and also a business owner.
Okay, what kind of business do you own?
Clothes.
Okay, all right. So anong hobbies mo? What do you like to do for fun?
Aside from sa work ko, talagang live selling. Mahilig ako mag-live selling.
Okay.
More on business, talaga.
All right. So outside of that, wala kang ginagawang ibang hobbies?
Wala masyado.
Focus talaga.
Focus talaga ako sa
Okay.
business, yes.
All right. So anong hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Personality?
Yung honest, and then hindi bastos. Yung marespeto. Hindi lang sa family, kundi sa kahit sa ibang tao.
All right. Sa physical naman, anong hanap mo?
Wala naman, as long as matatanggap nila ako.
Okay. Deal breakers?
Bastos talaga.
Yun lang talaga.
Hindi marunong rumispeto.
Okay. All right. Well, right now, wala pa. Magka-pop ka ba? Oh. Out of respect for... Okay, I'll ask you later. Oh. Okay. All right. Oh. Okay. Oh. Okay, so let's start with you, Paul. Please come on stage.
My name is Paul, age 30, supervisor sa isang family business.
Bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon?
Sa sinabi yung sa hobby na yun, sometimes you need to have at least one hobby lang tayo. Bukod sa live selling, yes, okay lang yan. But sometimes out of the camera sa ginagawa, you need to have at least one. Like reading books, social media, okay lang. Manood ka ng YouTube videos, okay lang yun para matuto ka. Ganun lang yun kasi, Philip.
Any response to what he said?
Siguro dahil nga din sa work ko, sobrang busy na rin. Kaya parang work, tapos pag off ko talaga, business na lang. Then yung ibang the rest ng time ko is pahinga.
Okay. Pero type mo ba sana siya?
Yes. Mukhang ano siya eh, mabait.
Oh. Pero naghahanap ka talaga ng someone na may hobbies outside of work? Or do you wanna get your balloon back?
Okay. So, I guess yun na lang sa second chance muna.
Oh, okay. So you want your balloon back?
Yes, please.
Okay. Okay lang ba sa'yo na binalik yung balloon niya? Or okay lang sa'yo na ibalik yung balloon niya?
I think hindi na.
Okay. Bakit?
Hindi kasi 'di ba, pagka may decision ka, dapat panindigan mo na eh.
Okay.
Una pa lang kung doon pa lang sa ano na sabi niya sa akin, wala daw akong hobby na other side aside from my work and then sa business ko. So, kung doon pa lang din niya ako nagigets. So, parang I think hindi.
Okay, so no to second chance for this one.
Yes.
Okay, anything to add, Paul?
No comment. So, accept as it is and I'm cool with this.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, and we also have si Paul naman. From Paul to Paul. Okay, Paul, please introduce yourself.
I'm Paul, 29, and I work remotely in a financial company based in US. So I do band. Then yung sasagot niya kasi medyo adventurous person kasi ako. So I'd like to go out much, like go for hiking, diving. Ang dami kong trip sa buhay, ang dami kong gustong gawin. And actually I admire her business kasi ano yan, kumbaga it's actually one of your passion, right? Believe ako sa'yo doon, but siguro for me, yung sa time management na lang when it comes to, yun nga, getting some hobbies aside from that area of your life. Kasi, yun nga, for me kasi, I've been in two past relationship na rin na parang when I was in that relationship, I wasn't able to do what I like to do outside my my work. So, medyo na-off lang ako doon.
So naghahanap ka ng someone na makakasama mo sa hobbies na yon. Okay, any response to what he said?
Okay naman po.
Oh, okay naman na...
Then nagets ko naman po yung point niya. Talagang adventurous siyang tao. So, baka hindi ako maka-vibes niya.
Okay, so agree ka lang din sa sinasabi niya.
agree po.
Okay.
Hey Erica, my name is Jake and I'm 31 and I do remote sales. Yeah, it's just like not my preference, but there's nothing against you. Like you're beautiful, I know. And then I always say this that like everybody have like kind of like I don't know, like I guess like a soulmate that like somebody that would like you the way like you want to be liked, right? And I just want to say off the camera, like there's a lot of like bashers that goes there, but there's actually takes a lot of courage to be here. So you should respect everybody that's in here. Even the past episodes, like, I'm gonna stand up for those people. And yeah, it's just, it takes really a lot of energy, a lot of, it's nerve-wracking here, but you should always respect people. And I do respect you. And yeah.
Thank you.
Do you have any response to what he said?
Thank you. Ang ganda ng sinabi niya. Agree talaga ako doon. Tsaka ang ganda ng forma niya.
Pero type mo ba sana siya?
Yes.
Oh, okay. But you mentioned na hindi mo siya preference. Bakit naman?
I'd rather not say in the camera, but just not my preference. That's it. Just leave it at that. Yeah.
Okay, well, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Gab, 25 years old. I work in the BPO industry. I popped my balloon kasi, don't get me wrong, I think you're really pretty and you present yourself well. But yung vibe lang kasi is not giving for me. Kasi, for like example, yung answer niya kanina dun sa dapat pag may decision ka, panindigan mo. Which is, I understand naman, pero kasi there are times na people makes mistakes and they deserve second chances. Ganun.
So feeling mo dapat binigyan niya ng second chance yung isang...
Not necessarily. Parang feel ko lang. Doon lang sa statement na pag may decision ka, that panindigan mo. Hindi siya 100% truth para sa akin. That may situational siya for me.
Any response to what he said?
Ano niya po yun yun po yung opinion niya about dun sa second chances. So, sa akin naman, okay naman magbigay ng second chances.
Okay.
But, syempre, kung magbibigay ka, dapat dun sa taong alam mong kaya kang maka-vibe.
Pero aside from that, type mo ba sana siya?
Feeling ko totropahin talaga.
Tutropahin.
Yes.
Okay, bakit tropa vibe nakuha mo kay Gab?
Ayun nga, katulad kanina yung sa decision making. I think meron akong makukuha at mapupulot sa'yo. Kaya pagi tayo magtropa.
Okay, just as a friend. Ikaw, friend lang din.
Yeah. Okay.
Hi, Miss Erica. I'm Kane, 31, Sales and Credit Collection. So, nagpapa ko ng balloon due to hobby. So, medyo, rin ako, slightly adventurous. If laging parang live selling, ganun. Medyo stuck up sa bahay, ganun. Yun lang naman, tapos preference lang.
Pero siya, type mo ba sana siya?
Totropahin ko din.
Natropahin din? Bakit naman?
Kasi yung vibe niya talaga parang adventurous. Para matuto naman ako magkaroon ng other hobby.
Alright.
Diba?
Man ulit, 26, marketing ops specialist. The vibes are not just there. And personally, I'm not physically attracted. And then another thing is that I feel like we're in different seasons. I think you're more mature mag-isip than me. So I feel like hindi lang tayo mag-match.
Agree ka ba dun sa mga sinabi niya?
Siguro agree na ako kasi di ko pa naman siya kasi personally talagang nakikilala. So parang ang pangit naman kung i-judge ko siya na hindi kami yun yung ano niya sa akin. So okay tayo.
Pero ano siya, tropa for you or dateable naman?
Pogi ka. Tandaan mo. Ako kasi naniniwala ako na walang taong hindi maitsura, pangit, ganun.
Yeah.
Ang pinakapangit lang para sa akin, ugali talaga.
Yeah. Same. But you're beautiful. Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Today.
Okay. Sige, kayo na nagkasundo. Okay, so it's a no for you as well. Okay, thank you so much.
Hello, I'm J-Boy, 28 years old and data analysis.
Bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon?
Na-feel ko kasi na parang hindi kami magkakavibe. Sinabi niya na kapag nagdesisyon ka, panindigan mo. May time kasi na bigla-bigla akong nagdidesisyon ng hindi ko na pag-iisipan, lalo na pag nagiging galit ako. Kaya may time din talaga na kung ano yung nagiging desisyon ko, kahit ayoko, pipilitin ko yung panindigan yun, lalo na kung sa ganung situation na sinabi mo, which is totoo naman talaga. May mga bagay talaga tayo na dapat, kung ano yung naging desisyon natin, papanindigan talaga dapat.
Okay, pero ko ba, type mo ba sana siya?
Totropahin ko din to.
Okay, bakit?
Totropahin ko itong mga tumamaya.
Mamaya. Parang nakatakot. tropa vibes lang din yung nakukuha mo. Bakit naman?
Kasi yun nga, yung sa mga opinion nila sa akin, parang feel ko mas ma-enhance pa yung personality ko at lalo na sa mga hobbies. Tingin ko pagka nakausap ko sila, marami silang matuturo sa akin.
Okay, well we have 2 balloons left. So this time, sila naman na magtatanong ng questions sa'yo to help them figure out if you're a good match.
Anong reliyon mo?
Catholic.
Yun lang.
Yun lang? Okay. Sige.
What are your thoughts about the confidentiality ng trabaho ng partner mo? Na hindi niya pwedeng i-disclose yung mga bagay-bagay.
As a uniform officer, nirerespeto ko kung ano yung confidentiality at kung ano yung about sa work niya na hindi niya pwedeng i-share sa akin. Kasi sa amin din naman, meron kaming mga bagay na hindi namin siya pwedeng basta lang ikwento dahil, nakaka-excite to. Ang ganda nito ikwento. Sa amin, hindi pwede. Kasi baka mamaya, ma-compromise yung gagawin namin is operation, ganun. So, for privacy and security purposes, para sa.
Okay, you good with that?
Yes, actually, naiintindihan ko. And that's a good thing. Because, I used to work under some government agency na ganyan din, sa law enforcement din. I respect that.
Okay, well, thank you so much. Okay, so since walang nag-pop sa kanilang dalawa, ikaw mamimili ngayon. Please choose 1 balloon to pop.
Ay.
Ano yan? Ano yan? May nangyayaring tinginan dito na. Oh, okay. So, bakit napili mong ipop yung balloon ni Leon?
Actually, ang ganda ng tanong niya sa akin.
Okay.
Tapos, meron din siyang background about sa law enforcement. Feeling ko, magkakasundo sana kami.
Okay.
Kaya lang, mas na-curious ako sa kanya. Kasi,
Dahil?
sobrang iksi ng tanong niya sa akin, anong religion ko? So,
Okay.
parang mas gusto ko siyang makilala.
Okay, so dahil doon. Okay, do you have any response to that?
Naiintindihan ko yun. Actually, nagdadalawang isip ako if I should pop or not. Because dahil dun sa edad. Yeah, because 28 ako, 30 ka. I know na you wanna settle down, you wanna do something with your life, with your long-term partner, something like that. And that's something that I cannot do right now. Rebuilding ako sa life ko. So yeah, yun yung nagbabattle sa utak ko kanina pa.
Tama ba siya doon? Nasa settling energy ka na ba?
Yes po.
Oh, okay. So, hindi din talaga kayo matching that way?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much, Leon. Okay. Well, we have one balloon left. So, please join us over here. Woohoo! Okay.
Hi, I'm Jericho, 26 years old, security guard. Yun po talaga trabaho ko.
Meron ba kayong final questions for each other?
Gusto ko lang po malaman, ba't yun yung tinanong mo sa akin kanina?
Oh, bakit daw yun yung tinanong mo?
Ako po kasi Catholic, tapos siya ibang reliyon. Hindi po, parang hindi pwedeng parang magtugma pag, sa simbahan, pag ikasal, pag ganon. Hindi, ibig sabihin nun, isa sa amin mag-adjust na maglipat ng reliyon. Ayoko naman maglipat sa ibang reliyon. Catholic lang talaga.
All right. Any response to that?
Wala naman po.
Okay. So, I'm gonna ask you guys now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
No.
No. Okay. Oh. Okay. So, bakit naman no?
Hindi, parang ano kasi ako yung jolly person. Pagkasama talaga ako, sobrang maingay. Kaya feeling ko sa kanya, ang tahimik niya. Parang pagkasama niya ako, parang siya yung mahihiya. Siya na lang yung mahihiya pag ako yung kasama niya.
Okay, tama ba siya doon?
Hindi po totoo yun.
Hindi, pero layo ka ng layo sa akin. Kanina pa. Hindi ka mahihiyain, talaga ba?
Siyempre, siguro pag kami lang dalawa, hindi po ako mahiya. Siyempre, confidence. Sa ngayon kasi, first time ko pa lang kasi yung tumungtong dito on air. Kaya nahihiya pa po ako.
Does that change your mind at all?
Hindi na po, paninindigan ko po yun.
Okay. Pero type mo ba sana siya?
Hindi po.
Bakit naman?
Kasi parang marami akong matutunan sa kanya kung paano mag-manage ng pera, magpalago. Kasi hindi naman po habang buhay, empleyado tayo. Yun lang po.
So, hindi lang as a partner, ganun?
Hindi naman po sa ganun. Parang po kasi, parang tingin niya na sa akin pamangkin bata pa po ako, 26 pa lang po ako.
Okay, pamangkin ba yung... May sinabi ka bang pamangkin? Or
Wala
agree ka ba doon?
Hindi, wala po ako sinabi.
Okay, but okay, I guess hindi lang talaga kayo match.
Yes.
So, thank you so much both of you. Unfortunately, wala tayong match for this round, but thank you. Hope you can join again next time. Thank you! And that has been our show. Thank you so much to the Q Studios and their team for having us over here. Make sure to go follow their socials and scan the QR code on your screen right now to join their community and perhaps get a free photo shoot from them. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more of our episodes. Join us again next time for more Pusoan or